Have you ever wondered if a tank bag is worth the money for your TW200 or any of your bikes for that matter? Well, I just picked up the Tusk Olympus bag and I want to show it to you and see, show you a few things here and there, and then you can decide for yourself whether or not they're worth getting one. Matt with Mob Street, and I'm here with my 2021 TW200. Now, this is the Tusk Olympus Tank Bag. They have two sizes. This is the large, which the smaller size is a 6 liter, the bigger size is an 8 liter. Cool thing, super easy to install. They come with the straps that you need right here to go onto the bike. Now, the bottom of them is that real grippy stuff, so it's not going to be sliding all over. Super easy to install, super universal for all sorts of bikes. And they do have two colors, so they'll come in the black and tan and the black and gray. With my TW being the 2021 model, with the 21s, the 22s, and the 23s all being the black and gray, I think it's an obvious choice as to why I got the black and gray. Now let me show you these here real quick. Up on top here, you've got a clear pocket that you can access with right through here. This opens up, and then you can put, your phone in there, a map, whatever. And it has dual YKK zippers on the outside, and these do look like they are waterproof, so that's nice to have on there. And then you've got this bungee on the top here, so if you want to park and put your gloves on there, hey look, here's a pair of gloves. Let's see how they work right here. Just like that. Sweet. Now, on the inside, you've got this zipper pocket here. You've got a little mesh pocket here. This is your rain fly. I'll show you how that works here in just a second. You've got some elastic loops in here to hold things all nice and tight. And then this pocket right here is actually Velcroed and removable. So, not too shabby. And then you've got this little mesh pocket back here. You've got a little key ring right here for your keys. You've got a little loop on the outside right here. Huh, look at that. Nice to hold your sunglasses when you're parked, whatever. And then you've got this pocket on the outside here as well. On the front here, let's take a look. You can see this little piece right here. This is a hole that comes into your upper pocket up here. That is for if you want to, like charge or whatever, you can charge it from there. And then if you got a charge cable, you actually have this little Velcro pocket here that allows you to come to the front of the bag right there. Then when you want to, take it off the bike, you've got that clip there, that clip there. This will pull back, which is going to give you access to your fuel if you need to. Or if you're, stopping and you don't want to leave your stuff out on the bike, you can just unclip those clips, and then that little carrying handle, you could take it into your hotel, wherever you might be staying. So, like I said, there's two different bags. You can get the bigger one, which I have here, and then the smaller one, which I have on my KLX. Between 99 and 105 bucks at the making of this video, that's the pricing for the two bags. So, I actually don't mind the bigger one. I didn't know if I was gonna like it as much, but the bigger one, if we open this back up, super easy zippers to work with also. That's big enough to hold a couple water bottles if you need to, or even, to set your goggles in there. And then if you wanted to take that out, you've got even more room. So that's just a little divider right there that you can use. Not necessary, but you've got it there if you want it. Now, this is your rain fly. And it just goes over the top of the bag. Just like that. So, super simple, super easy, and it just stores right there in your bag. Installation for these is literally 5 minutes, if that. And way easy to put on. Now, I haven't ridden too far with them yet. Just done a little bit of road miles with them. And so far, when it comes to standing up and sitting down, it still leaves you plenty of room. Plus, up on the handlebars when you're turning and everything, you still have a lot of room there. So I haven't taken them on any real technical riding yet, just to see if they hinder anything, but so far I've been pretty happy with them. So this is a first glance. Now I'll put the dimensions for both of these on the screen here so you can see, you know, how tall, how wide, and how long all of these are. Like I said, the smaller one is the 6 liter, this one is an 8 liter, and I'm actually pretty happy with this bigger one here on the TW. I'm gonna swap them out, you know, play around back and forth with the both of them and see which one I like better on the TW, because that's where the majority of well, that's where it'll spend the majority of its time. So if there's questions or comments, please put those down below. And if you want to get one of these, I'll put the links to both of them in the description so you can go and find one for yourself. I think they're pretty convenient for what they are, and if you're going to be doing long stints, it's nice to have somewhere to put all your stuff so you're not having them in your riding pants or your jacket, and just quick, simple access. And then like if you have a GPS or a map, it's nice to have that upper pocket up on top of there. Anyways, again, questions or comments, put those down below. And if you haven't already, hit like, hit subscribe, and follow along, because we have a lot more content coming up with the TW, with the KLX, with bikes in general. So make sure to click that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you'll be the first to know when a new video comes out. I'm Matt, this is Mob Street, and thanks for watching.